What are the functions of an entrepreneur? The various entrepreneurial functions are explained below. Entrepreneurship involves transforming innovative ideas into valuable applications. Entrepreneurs seek new opportunities, create new products, and devise novel production methods. They may also find new uses for existing products or combine multiple functions into a single offering to optimize resource use. This process requires creativity, intuition, and the willingness to take calculated risks. Entrepreneurs must identify and capitalize on potentially profitable opportunities, such as those demonstrated by the introduction of products like the iPod, smartphones, and induction cooktops. Risk-taking is inherent to entrepreneurship. It involves managing the unpredictability of business outcomes and accepting responsibility for potential future losses. Entrepreneurs work to reduce uncertainty in their investment plans, production diversification, and business expansion. They are confident and optimistic, prepared to handle the risks associated with new and existing ventures by leveraging their skills and good judgment to minimize risk. How can the concept of entrepreneurship be illustrated with a diagram? Entrepreneurship is defined as the process through which individuals or groups initiate, innovate, and take on risks to launch new business ventures that generate wealth and create job opportunities, thereby contributing to the growth of various economic sectors. This process involves a series of creative and innovative steps aimed at achieving specific objectives. An entrepreneur is someone who orchestrates the production process by managing and leveraging essential resources such as land, labor, capital, raw materials, machinery, energy, and space. They play a pivotal role in setting up and maintaining a business or enterprise. An enterprise, on the other hand, is an organized entity characterized by its structural setup, governed by specific rules and policies, and shaped by its unique culture and communication practices. In essence, the entrepreneur acts as the subject or the driving force, entrepreneurship serves as the dynamic process or action, and the enterprise emerges as the tangible outcome or object of these entrepreneurial efforts. Why is entrepreneurship vital for an economy? The significance of entrepreneurship extends across various aspects of societal development and economic growth, underscoring its role as a vital component of a nation's progress. Entrepreneurship acts as a crucial indicator of a country's developmental level, with each nation striving to enhance its trade and share in the global benefits of economic advancement. Entrepreneurship catalyzes innovation by introducing new ideas, technologies, products, and markets. It plays a central role in economic development as entrepreneurs increase resource productivity and bring visionary concepts to life, driving forward the entire economic landscape. Entrepreneurs adapt and shape enterprises to thrive in dynamic and evolving environments, tackling challenges such as automation and technological complexities. This adaptability not only transforms businesses but also molds the broader economic and social environments, fostering inclusive growth. Financially, entrepreneurship is a key driver of profitability through cost reduction and revenue enhancement, although direct control over the latter is often limited. By minimizing costs, entrepreneurship not only boosts profits but also creates opportunities for sustainable growth and expansion. What is the process of entrepreneurship? Self-discovery. Entrepreneurs engage in diverse activities and introspect to understand their strengths, weaknesses, abilities, talents, and knowledge. This phase helps them connect their personal capabilities to potential business opportunities. Identifying opportunities. Entrepreneurs have a keen eye for recognizing unmet needs, wants, problems, and challenges in the market. They identify gaps that others may overlook and develop innovative ways to address these needs, generating and evaluating ideas. Using their creativity and past experiences, entrepreneurs gather ideas from various sources, assessing them to create innovative and feasible business concepts. Planning. This stage involves drafting a detailed business plan that outlines the required financial, human, technical, and material resources depending on the size of the business. The plan also includes marketing strategies to transform the idea into a workable business model, raising startup capital. Entrepreneurs use their business plan to secure funding from investors, venture capitalists, and partners. This phase may also involve creating prototypes or conducting test marketing of the products or services. Why is innovation considered the hallmark of entrepreneurship? Innovation is a fundamental characteristic of entrepreneurship. It fosters visionary thinking, encouraging entrepreneurs to dream big and turn those dreams into reality. Innovation serves as a critical tool for entrepreneurs, allowing them to leverage changes and challenges as opportunities to introduce unique business services. It is both a discipline that can be learned and practiced. The standard definition of innovation refers to the introduction of new things. It encompasses problem solving, a core skill for any entrepreneur looking to exploit business opportunities. Innovations typically arise from the novel integration of three key resources: natural, physical, and mental labor, along with capital. Joseph Schumpeter emphasized innovation as the primary role of entrepreneurs. He described entrepreneurs as innovators who bring new combinations to the production process. This process of innovation may manifest in various forms, introducing products that are completely new to the market, employing production methods not previously used, discovering untapped markets, creating new organizational structures such as monopolies, finding new applications for existing products, or enhancing the features of existing products.